Welcome to this clip. I'm about to change the gear stick on my Land Rover Defender. This is valid from 2007 with the Puma models. And the workshop manual states that you remove the handbrake lever and the floor mat around the gear stick assembly. But I show a much simpler and faster way to do it. Start by moving down the gear stick gaiter from the groove you have in the gear stick. There's two plastic clips in the gear stick that holds the stick in place. Make sure the gaiter is below the clips and then carefully pry both clips outward at the same time. Then pull the gear stick upwards and it should be loose.
Okay, let's check the storage for a new one.
When installing the new gear stick, start by pulling the gaiter up on the front or the inside first, where it's harder to reach. It took me about 3-4 minutes to get the gaiter up on the stick. Then make sure the gaiter goes in the groove that you have on the stick. Then push the stick downwards and turn it gently left and right to make sure the clips has locked the stick in place. Here's the old stick in plastic and the new one in leather and aluminium. Okay, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. There will be a part 2 where I change the small gear stick for the 4-wheel drive, and that one does not have any clips, but I show how to change it fast and easy. Okay, take care and bye.